Hey there, I'm Bradley Hubbard, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Notion account on the desktop version. So starting off, we just go ahead and Google Notion. Notion is a little bit interesting because when you log in, it goes directly to your account. So if you click Notion right away and you have an account logged in, it's not going to take you here. It's going to take you to your Workspace. So one of the cool things about it though, Notion.so and Notion.com take you to the same place. When you get here, all you need to do is click Get Notion for free, and it'll start popping up what you need to get started. You can use Google, Apple, or single sign-on if you're already set up with your team. For us, we're going to create a new email to show you what that looks like. I'm going to use a modifier right there so I can use the same email and the same sign-up. Now I'm going to copy, I'll be right back in a second to get that sign-up code. Once the sign-up code is entered, we'll go ahead and click continue, save that password so we didn't actually set a password, silly us. We'll go Brad, and our password is going to be this one. Be right back. And before we set our password, why don't we add a photo as well? Be right back for that. And now that we have a photo, we'll go ahead and leave I agree to Notion marketing because we want to know what's happening in the place. So click continue, and you're going to be presented with a workspace. You can either join a workspace if you have one created already, or if that email has been invited to one already, but we're going to go ahead and create a new workspace. And because you can use this with yourself, team, or for school notes, you can decide the pre-built templates that you get before you start. For us, we're going to use personal use and click that we want travel to do, and we'll do hobbies and habits. And whatever you click, it's going to give you pre-built templates for this. You could also click skip now if you already know what you're doing and you don't want to use any of that. But that's about it. Your account is created, and now you have access to whatever workspaces are up here. You can add other accounts if you have them, or you can just get started right away. That's how you get started on desktop. I hope that helps.